Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, it's time for your science class. So let's start with duas. Raise your hand. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Allahumma fakihna fid din. Amin. Okay, students, we're studying about the plant's growth, and I told you about the food making process of the plant. What we call it? We call it photosynthesis. Okay, let's revise our previous lesson. I told you about the process of food making that is done by plant. The process is photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is a combination of two words, photo and synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means putting together. So what does photosynthesis means? Photosynthesis means putting together two or more than two things in the presence of light to make a food. Now revise the process of photosynthesis. I told you about the ingredients of the photosynthesis. Just like the ingredients while we use certain ingredients while cooking, photosynthesis also has some ingredient that are carbon dioxide and water. These two smaller molecules combine together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Look here in the slide. The carbon dioxide gas plus water, they combine together to form a sugar. And what is this sugar? This is a product that is obtained after the process of photosynthesis. And this sugar is a food of a plant. During this process, an important gas called oxygen is also released by the plant. Look here in this picture. A sunlight falls on a leaf. Carbon dioxide gas is got by the plant from the air. It enters the leaf. Water enters the leaf with the help of a tissues called xylem. Similarly, when these two things are combined together inside the leaf in the presence of light, food that is carbohydrate is prepared by the plant, and the oxygen gas is released outside the environment, the air. Now, I told you that we will discuss about the green substance called chlorophyll. What is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is present inside the leaf, and it is called a chlorophyll. Look at this picture. Here the disc-like structure that is present inside the cell is chloroplast, and inside the chloroplast there is a green substance called chlorophyll. Where the chlorophyll is present? Chlorophyll is a green pigment that is present inside the chloroplast. These dark bodies are the chloroplast, and inside these chloroplasts there is a green substance called chlorophyll. A green pigment in the leaves is called a chlorophyll. It is found in chloroplast and its color is green. Now, what is the function of the chloroplast? This chloroplast is able to trap the sunlight. This chloroplast catches the sunlight. Okay, now what is the function of this green pigment called chlorophyll? Chlorophyll traps the sunlight. Okay, now you have studied about the function of chlorophyll. This chlorophyll helps this process of photosynthesis, because if this chlorophyll will not trap the sunlight, photosynthesis process will not be able to take place. Now look here. The stem of some plants such as cacti can make the food because they have a chlorophyll, but their chlorophyll is present inside the stem, not in the leaves, because a cactus lacks leaves. So The process of photosynthesis is carried out by the stem, and its stem is of green color because it contains a green pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, I am going to repeat it. Cactus plant is green in color and it don't have any leaf. So where is the chlorophyll present in this plant? The chlorophyll is present inside the stem of the plant. Now the green pigment, that is chlorophyll, traps the sunlight and food making process takes place inside the stem of cacti. Okay, now come here. Now I'm going to tell the function of chlorophyll in the leaves. I have told you earlier, the chlorophyll helps the plant to trap the sunlight to make the process of photosynthesis. Look here in the picture, the sunlight is coming and it is falling on the leaves. Leaves are green because of chlorophyll. Leaves are green because of the chlorophyll, that is green pigment. So what is the function of this green pigment? It traps the sunlight. When sunlight falls on the leaf surface, chlorophyll molecules traps the sunlight, catch the sunlight and provide it to the plant to carry out the process of photosynthesis. Okay. You can also see that carbon dioxide gas is also going inside the leaf and water is coming from the roots of the plant. After combining these two substances together, a food is made that is used by the plant and oxygen gas is released into the environment. Now I am going to tell you a very interesting part of the plant that is present on the leaves of the plant. The leaves surface has very tiny openings called stomata. What is stomata? A stomata is a opening that is present on the underside of the leaf. Okay, these are the tiny holes that are present on the surface of the leaf, and most of the stomata are present on the underside of the leaf. Okay, what are stomata? These are the tiny openings that are present on the underside of the leaf. Okay, now what is the characteristic or what is the function of this stomata? This stomata allows gases to enter or leave through the underside of the leaf. You can see here in the picture, this stomata can close and can open so that they allow the gases to enter the leaf or to go outside the leaf. You can see here in the picture, the blue molecules are of the red molecules are of carbon dioxide gas that are entering, and the molecule of oxygen are coming out of the stomata. Now look here, carbon dioxide gas from the air enters the leaf through stomata. Now what are stomata? These are the tiny openings. Carbon dioxide gas is used for the photosynthesis. The oxygen is produced during the photosynthesis and it is used for an essential for the life processes called photosynthesis. Excess oxygen leaves through the stomata. Plants lose water in the form of water vapors to the surrounding through the stomata too. Okay, now it's your homework. These are two short questions that you will copy in your science folder. First question is, what is chlorophyll? As I have told you, most of the leaves are green because they contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. The light energy is trapped by this chlorophyll. Now what are the stomata? Stomata are tiny openings which allow the gases to enter or leave through the underside of the leaf, and they are mostly present on the underside of the leaf. Okay, now you will write these two questions in your science folder. Read dua. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर।